Okay, I want to make sure that you know about adding, subtracting rational expressions with like denominators. Sorry that's so messy. I'm having a hard time with my pen. So this first one you see is 4x over x minus 3 plus 3x over x minus 3. So anytime you have addition of fractions, you have to have them with the same denominator. And this one already does. It has x minus 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 4x, and then you notice that there's a plus. So I'm going to put a plus right here, 3x. So I'm going to combine those. So then I'm going to, here, let me do a little bit of an eraser here. Simplify it out, combine like terms, so I get 7x over x minus 3. And then I have to factor and cancel. This one doesn't factor, so it won't cancel. So you got to simplify in the end by factoring and canceling. Over here, similar thing. You have they both have like denominators, so we're ready to put the denominator down there. We do x minus 1. Then we have 2x. Now, notice one thing right here, right there. That's a minus, which if you put parentheses around this, what this does is it changes everything to opposite. So what this becomes is a negative x and a negative 7. Very important. This is very important. If you have to write notes over this at the side, write notes. When you have a minus right here, okay, that minus changes everything inside to its opposite. So that's why you see in purple there what I did. So now I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to go back to my red pen here. So 2x minus an x is just an x. Then you also have a minus a 7. You have that over x minus 1. So now we have this. And this is pretty close, although there's a problem right here. See, these are the opposites of these. You remember how you factor a negative 1 out? So we are going to factor a negative 1 out here. So negative, this becomes x squared minus 7x plus 12. And you can see this and this are the same. If we have this negative 1 right here, this negative 1, we're going to actually have it come up here, and it's going to change the sign of, if it's plus, it's going to change it to a minus. So this is going to change this to a minus, okay? So you got to make notes of that. Okay, so we do have the same denominator. We have x squared minus 7x plus okay, so something funky happened in the middle. My wife called. Okay, so I'm going to go from here. Just to backtrack, this, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Just to backtrack, this negative acts on this positive 18, this negative 3x. So what we have down here is we have the same denominator, x squared minus 7x plus 12. And then in the numerator we have x squared from right here. Then we have a minus or a plus 3x. That's from right here. Remember the negative acts on it. Then we have a negative 18. That's this negative acts on this positive 18. Now we're going to factor x minus 4, x minus 3. The top factors into x plus 6 and an x minus 3. So then this x minus 3's cancel. You're left with x plus 6 up top. You're left with x minus 4 on the bottom. That's simplified. Not easy, but with a little practice you're good to go.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.